eating it.
Wow. It's eating it. Good morning, here from Hvar, from our little windmill Airbnb. Our last morning here on Hvar. We're taking the ferry back to Split today, and so we're gonna stay the night in Split. We had a great stay here in Hvar, went to the fortress, was really nice. See you back on the road. Maybe somebody can explain what noise that is. Is it a bird or is that a bug or what is it? Woohoo! Let's do this! Goodbye house! Leaving Hvar today after 2 nights. We had a great time. It's a really cool island, cool little town. Today we're taking the ferry back to Split. So yeah, today kind of having another day off. See you later. We just missed the ferry.
So we're going through that.
Yeah.
The wind.
There she goes. Ah. Let's go in that boat belly again. Yeah, I don't know if anybody can see that. Yeah, that ticket. Here's me trying to work on some videos.
It's eating it!
This is what happened.
Actually, look! It's eating it!
Wow. It's eating it.
Ooh.
Look at that. A little peacock family. They're just living here.